All right, so today we are going to look at appointment schedules within Google Calendar. And this one is new and revolutionary for government. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go up to the settings menu, click on settings. And when that comes up, you're going to want to scroll down until you get to appointment schedules. And specifically, you need to do the checkbox, right? So there's the old version, which is appointment slots. There's the new version, which is appointment schedules. And there's a ton of new functionality in this that I'm going to show you. So you'll want to create appointment schedules instead of appointment slots. All right, so you're done with that. Now let's get into it. So here on the 4th, I'm going to select maybe a 2-hour window. And I'm going to select appointment schedule. I'm going to title it test and create a new appointment schedule. All right, so you'll already see that the interface is different if you ever used appointment slots. And there's a couple of things I'll walk you through. Appointment duration, I think the lowest you can go is 15 minutes, but we're going to keep it at 30 minutes. You can also set this up so that it repeats, or you can select certain days. You can even identify the scheduling window. So in this case, the default is 60 days in advance, right up to 4 hours before. So this is operating a lot more like a booking calendar than kind of just appointment slots. Underneath that, I'm going to move myself over to the right. Booked appointment schedules, you can actually set up, this is very cool, you can actually set up buffer time. So as we know, when we set up a series of appointments, one of the things is we got to take physical breaks, right? You can now do that. You can actually have a couple of minutes set up between those back-to-back meetings so that you can do stuff. You can limit the number of maximum bookings per day. So there's a ton of this. Probably the most important thing, I'm just going to leave the default settings and I'm going to click next. This will bring up your booking page, photo and name. And then also you can choose if you're going to do it in a meeting or all of these are Google Meets. You can also add a short description, and then there's booking forms and confirmation reminders. So at the very bottom, you can actually do an email reminder to the person who's making the meeting with you to reserve that appointment slot. Most importantly, these work with non-Google accounts. So if you're in government and you're working with the public, there's a range of different accounts that people use. This booking system works with Google accounts, and non-Google accounts. Huge. So if I click save, it will show the appointment schedule and people can open that. If I want to open the booking page, so this is kind of the URL, right? So I can grab this URL, I can share it from here, I can embed it in a website, I can share it from a website, I can share it in my email signature block, but this is a really great way, and this is what people will see when they come. It's a very friendly environment, it's mobile friendly, looks great on mobile devices, and people can book a calendar appointment, get calendar reminders, and they don't have to have a Google account. All right, there's a lot more to come on this, but this was just a quick introduction. I hope you explore it, and I hope it makes your life better. All right.